never happened. There is no technology that has actually potentially promised to create in just 5 years from now to 2030 to create 170 million new jobs. So that is great. But there is also the downside that as those new jobs are being created, there is also the aspect of losing closer to 92 million jobs. As a result of the emergence of AI. But that is going to happen, and those are you can call them the hazards of new technologies emerging. But it begs the question that are we preparing ourselves to take ourselves away from such jobs, to train for such jobs, to go towards now the jobs of the future, the 170 million. Now that's when now if you're a young man going to school, if you're a parent sending your young man, young woman to school, this is when you ask yourself a question, am I sending them to an institution that is preparing them to fit or to grab that job, one of those 170 million jobs? Or I am sending them to an institution to receive an education that is actually preparing them to get a job that is among the 92 million jobs which will disappear very soon. So you have to really stand for your child. You, the young person, you have to stand for yourself and choose that training, that learning that prepares you to fit in the 170 million jobs that are coming within the next 5 years.